This video will be a step-by-step guide to assembling your finishing press. To begin, let's take a closer look at the two boards needed for assembly. Notice that one board has threaded sockets, while the other one has smooth sockets with visible screws along the edge. The threaded sockets are where the handles will screw, allowing the press to open and close. Meanwhile, the smooth sockets hold the handles in place, with the screws keeping them secure but free to rotate. Notice here how the screws align with the notched section on the handles. Start by using a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen the screws on the board with the smooth sockets. Notice how the screws are visible inside each of the channels. Before moving on, double-check that the screws don't impede either socket. They could damage or strip the threads of the handles when inserted, rendering them unusable. Now that both sockets are clear, you can insert the handles. Tighten the screws enough that the handles stay securely in place, but ensure that they can still freely rotate. The handles should not move in or out of the socket. Notice here how the handle is fixed in place, but is still able to freely rotate. With the handles fixed, you're ready to attach the second board. Align the threaded sockets with the ends of the handles. Slowly turn each handle to begin threading them in. It's important to keep the turns even. Your dominant hand might be quicker, but if the handles aren't turned at the same rate, the press can lock up. If that happens, carefully unscrew the handle that's progressed too far, then even them out. And there you go, you've successfully assembled your finishing press and are ready to start using it.